Hi, this is Pastor Jack of Calvary Chapel, Chino Hills. And just recently, O.P. Almaraz and his company, Allied Restoration, came to us and did a tremendous job. Imagine for a moment trying to prepare 125,000 square feet of space that is utilized by people, 3 separate buildings, and to get it ready. And they did it. They did it on time. They did it within a 3-day period of time. Very professional. And they worked with us because we have such odd hours. They did just a tremendous job. They did the fogging and they did the specialty application that rendered our facilities safe to welcome the flock, the congregation, back into their house of worship. So, on behalf of Calvary Chapel, Chino Hills, and a very grateful people, I want to recommend to you Allied Restoration and the fine work that they do. I'm sure they'll do you very, very well.